had an extraordinary weekend at the Rental Housing Association of Washington's Spring Workshop and Tradeshow. This year, we elevated our commitment to your business with carefully curated sessions, led by experienced housing providers as well as legal and financial experts. These presenters delved into the vital aspects of property management, tenant laws, and effective business strategies. Our sessions offered attendees deep insights into these crucial topics. This year's trade show added a new twist. We introduced an exciting interactive game show segment designed to provide a dynamic way of learning.
How many occupants must you allow in a typical two-bedroom apartment?
Our trade show floor was buzzing with activity from our vendors. Their innovative products and services helped our members learn about the opportunities that were available to them.
Told I have about 3 minutes, but I'd like to request 30 minutes to review an insurance policy. Any takers? No? So insurance industry.
The event concluded with a raffle, benefiting the RHAWA Legal Defense Fund. Heartfelt thanks goes out to all RHA members, sponsors, and attendees who made this event a resounding success. Your enthusiasm and participation have once again made this a day to remember. We look forward to seeing you next year, armed with new insights and ready for even more success in the rental housing business.